Hey everyone, welcome back to Kawaii Crafts. Valentine's Day is coming up, so I decided to make some Valentine's Day shakers. On the screen are all the materials I will be using for this project. If you would like to get some of these supplies for yourself, I have placed links in the description for you. So let's get started. The first thing I did was mix my colors. I'll be using UV resin and mica pigment powders for this project. Once the colors are mixed, I poured them into my molds and blended the colors. I let the resin sit for a minute, used heat to pop the bubbles in the resin, then placed it into the UV light to cure. I like to flip my pieces over to make sure both sides are hit by the UV light. Once cured, I popped them out of the mold. I noticed my pieces bowed a little, which may happen with UV resin, so I sanded down the back side of each of the pieces. Next, I take the clear plastic for the front of the shaker, trace the shape onto it using a dry erase marker, then cut that out. My piece has a clear film on the front, so all I had to do was remove that to remove the marker. And now I can fill in the shakers. Once I have them full of goodies, I added a layer of UV resin around the edges, pressed the plastic piece on, and placed it in the UV light to cure. Now that the plastic is on the front, I can add UV resin to the front and dome the piece. I cured the pieces and then domed the backs as well. After the back was domed, I attached a bail to each shaker with UV resin and cured that in my UV light. I also decided to add some bezel pieces with my shakers. I used the leftover purple, pink, and white resin to fill in the bezels. Used the heating gun to get out all the bubbles and cured the pieces. After they were cured, I added on clear UV resin to the front to dome the pieces. I also added a couple rhinestones to each piece. Once all the pieces were cured, I used some jewelry findings to attach everything together. And I have these cute resin shaker charms. I chose not to use oil in the shakers, and I love how they turned out. Let me know which one you like the most. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more fun videos. Check out the description for links to all my social medias. Also leave a like and comment. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.